Welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a daily cash book or party ledger system, which is created by using the Google Sheet as a database with two roles, the admin and user. So this is our dashboard. Right now, I am logged in as a admin. So without wasting time, we will check the workflow of this particular complete dashboard. Okay. So you can see here today in amount is 0 and today amount is 0. So one question is, this currency is right now in RS PKR, but how we can change them? You can simply go to your setting and update the currency symbols as well. Okay, so this setting is also included. So this is your first question you ask us in the commenter. So now let's come to the parties section. So in the parties section, you can store the customer, supplier, or both, which is customer or supplier for your business. Let me show you an example. So right now I am adding a party with my name Ramesh. Okay, with my name Ramesh. Okay, fine. And I am a party type customer, supplier, or rather than both. I am both. I am selecting in my case both. Okay, so this is a contact number. I am entering any demo number here. Address, I am entering any demo address here. Opening balance is 0. Balance type is debit or credit. I am selecting here the credit, and the current balance I am making it 0 or anything else. Okay, I am making it 0 and click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now you can able to see here party added successfully in our database. Where it is added in this particular 14 number. My ID number is 14. Okay, so you will see this is a reconcile option. What exactly is this option? Reconcile all party balances and fix missing names in our database. So it will, when you run this, so what will do, this will fix missing party names in ledger entries, recalculate all party running balances, update party current balances from ledger. This operation may take a few minutes. Okay, we just simply click on this reconcile now, and now it will go to the cash book or party ledger, and then it will automatically calculate all the balances and update in our system. Let me show you. You can see this is a customer one. The old balance is date and new balance is this in our system. So the difference of the amount in our database, the mistakes here, the 35,000 differences. So this is reconciliation. Okay, the thing is that I am just reconcile it again to show you, is it always giving the same result, or if already all is okay, it will give you all parties are fixed. Okay, so in our case it will must give us the all parties is fixed right now with correct balances, because before that I have entered the wrong balances in the backend sheets. Now it's reconciling, and you will see it will take some time because it will calculate all the numbers, and it will adding some and give you the correct result. So reconciliation completed successfully. Total parties we have 14 and balance fixed 0 because everything is accurate in our previous run. Okay, now that's fine. And go to our cash book system. So when I go to our cash book system right now, you can able to see this is our cash book of our system. You can apply the filters as well, the entry type, cash, customer, supplier, anything, and payment modes, cash, everything you can do. I can also show you everything is working fine here. I just simply click on this add entry. Transaction date is automatically comes by default today, and if you want to select any other date, you can also select them. Entry type is cash, customer, or supplier. In my case it's customer. Okay, what is that particular party? Right now you can see this is a customer and this is a party, and this is my name which I have added in front of you. Now here's I can add any demo value here. What is this? Cash in or cash out? In my case there is a cash in of 8,000 rupees. Okay, fine. Payment mode cash, bank, online, check. Okay, reference number if you want to add, you can easily add them, and click on this save. So when you click on this save, as of now you can able to see here cash entry added out successfully. Okay, cash entry added successfully on this particular date. Entry type is customer, party name is this, cash in this. Before that I have the balances in my drawer in my business is 39,259, but right now after adding this I have this balance in my account. Okay, fine. Just go to the party ledger system. When you go to the party ledger system, here you can see this is January 10. Okay, party name is this, and this is credit amount, and right now this is minus 8,000 rupees and receipt is there. Okay, that's fine. Now go to the party section and click on this reconcile, and click on this reconcile now. So we will make sure everything will be perfect or fine. Okay, so when it's reconciling, so you can see this is a daily cash book and party ledger system for your businesses, and it will automate your things. Now balance is fixed for this particular name. Old balance is 0 and new balance is minus 8,000, and the difference is minus 8,000. So you can see this is their current balance, means we need to give the 8,000 rupees to this particular person. And if we want to check their transaction history, so right now you can able to see here total credit is this and total debit is this, and this is the particular amount. Okay, so you can also make the print as well. Okay, so this is a recent 30 days transaction. Also you can apply the 6-month transaction history, 1 year, or the lifetime. It's up to you. Now again, go to the cash book system. So when we will go to the cash book system, again click on this add entry, cash is the customer, and select it here. And what is exactly, here's the cash out. Now we need to give the 8,000 rupees again to that particular person. Okay, so this is our demo one, and this is a cash bank online. If it's bank, we can also add any reference number and click on this save. So you see, confirm cash out. You are recording cash out of Rs 8,000 rupees. Please confirm this is correct. Yes, proceed. Okay, we are saving the cash out for this particular customer, for this particular party. Okay, now the cash entry added out successfully. You understand? Now you can see that this is January 2 and demo 1 customer, and right now you can see our balance is again updated. Okay, understand? Just go to the party ledger system again, and when you go to the party ledger system, we have debited and the credit is 0, and you can see this is a particular customer minus 8,000, and now the 8,000 we have given them, and now their balance is Rs0. We have type refunded. Okay, we have refunded that particular amount. Okay, just go to the party section, and when you go to the party section, you just need to click on this reconcile and click on this reconcile. Now it will automatically reconciling, but in video I can't wait 1 minute. Okay, so that's why I am doing it manually. Okay, so you can see this is their old balance and this is their new balance, and this is their difference. Okay, that's fine. And just go to the here, balance is 0, and if we check the transaction history of this particular person, there are the two transaction histories: cash payment received, cash refund given. So this is, you understand. Now go to the daily summary. What exactly is the daily summary in our case? So this is a daily summary, and on January 8 we have, this is opening balance, and this is cash in, this is cash out, and this is closing balance. But what about the January 10? We just simply click on this regenerate all and click on this regenerate. So it will automatically calculate all the things systematically and give you the result. So right now you can able to see this is a January 10 and the opening balance is this. You can see this is our previous business day opening closing balance. This is the opening balance, cash in this, cash out this, and this is the closing balance. Again, total transaction performed today 2. One is cash in or one is cash out. Okay, what about the voucher sequence? The voucher sequence, you can see this is your last number of the voucher and next number is this, and if you want to reset, you can reset to 0 again. So in the user management, you can also see you can add, create users, update users, everything which is available in our all projects. And this is our setting. In our setting, you can see this is a USD dollar cash book system, name is cash book system, and click on this save setting. So when you click on this save setting, so it will be saved here. Your setting, all the pages is updated, and here you can upload the profile picture. Right now I don't have any pictures here, so you can upload them. Let me save. Okay, because it's same, you don't understand what I am doing. So this is color customization. As we have promised to you, our all future projects will give you the same functionality. You can change the colors, you can change the theme of your system. Each user can change their color of their system according to their needs. There's a lot of girls who like the colors in the system due to look aesthetic, so you can do the aesthetic things here. So in the my account setting, you can see we have the current password and everything. There's a dark mode also. So in the dashboard, you can see right now we have today in is this particular amount and today out is this particular amount, and net is 0, and this is our dashboard overview. Okay, so this is party balances. When you have the data about the party balances, this will be automatically comes here, this type of chart here. Okay, so this is this month and today. So if you will go to the 6 month, it will give you the 6 month chart here, and if you go to the 1 year, so it will go give you the 1 year chart. So this system can handle above 10,000 rows efficiently and freely. It will not slow down. So we have coding it very efficiently. So hope you like this video, you like this concept, and you will share this video to your feelers. Thank you very much for listening us. We will back to you with another great video soon.